Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow. Food quiz part 3. Where does the savory dish pizza originally come from? The right answer is Italy. Sichuan is the cooking style of which country? The right answer is option C, China. The first chocolate bar was invented in The first chocolate bar was invented in England. Which is the world's leading egg producing country? The correct answer is option B, China. Botanically, which of these has been categorized as a fruit? The correct answer is tomato. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.